In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your resume from LinkedIn. If you've used LinkedIn's Easy Apply feature before, the site likely saved one or more resume files to make future applications faster. We'll clean that up now so only the documents you want are stored. Start by opening your web browser and heading to a search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press enter. Click the official LinkedIn result to open the site. If you're already signed in with your Google account or another method, you'll go straight to your feed. If not, sign in securely using your usual credentials and two-step verification if you have it enabled. Once you're on your LinkedIn feed, look to the top right. Click your profile photo where it says Me to open the account menu. From that drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the area where you control what LinkedIn stores and shares. On the Settings page, use the left-hand navigation and choose Data Privacy. This section groups the controls that relate to your personal data and job applications. Within Data Privacy, find and open Job Application Settings. This page manages your preferences for Easy Apply and shows the resumes you've uploaded in the past. On the Job Application Settings page, scroll to the Resume section. You'll see a list of your uploaded files. Locate the specific resume you want to remove. To the right of that file name, click the three dots, sometimes labeled More or shown as an overflow menu. From that menu, click Delete. If LinkedIn asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The file will be removed from your account's stored resumes and won't be available for future job applications through Easy Apply. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you have multiple old versions, repeat the same delete action for each file you no longer need. If you don't see a resume listed, you may not have uploaded one yet with Easy Apply on this account. And remember, deleting a stored resume doesn't withdraw any applications you've already submitted. It simply prevents that file from being reused going forward. That's it. You navigated from Me to Settings and Privacy to Data Privacy, then Job Application Settings, and deleted the resume using the three-dot menu. Keeping this area tidy helps ensure the right document is used the next time you apply. Thanks for watching, and keep your profile and application materials up to date for the best results.